Tony, do you still remember your answer? Tony, you still remember your answer, or you want me to write your answer? Do you remember? Okay, you're right.
There's snow on all the roads. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I'm done.
Okay, Tony, I want you to read the given story. Go. Read the story properly.
A very famous man lives outside me.
Opposite me.
His name is Mr. Banks. His house has 10 bedrooms and a beautiful garden. He drives 4 different cars and lives to work in a helicopter. He has parties every Saturday evening. He plays the piano and dances to music with his friends. My family isn't famous, don't have a big house, but Mr. Banks often comes to see us. Last Saturday morning,
Tuesday. Last Tuesday morning,
I look out of my window. There was lots of snow outside. I went downstairs to have my breakfast. In the kitchen, Mom and Dad were there. Mr. Bang was too.
was 2. Hello. Yes, hello. I said.
Hello, I said. I can't go to school today. There's snow on all the roads. I can take you to school in my helicopter. Jim,
Jim.
would you like to do that? Wow! I said,
Said.
yes, please.
Okay, Tony, let's check now your answer. Ready to check?
Yes.
Okay, number 1. A very famous man lives opposite me. It's pronounced opposite me. His name is Mr. Banks. His house has 10 bedrooms and a beautiful garden. He drives, correct, 4 different cars, and he flies to work in a helicopter. He has parties every Saturday evening, correct. He plays the piano and dances to music with his friends. My family isn't famous and don't have a big house, but Mr. Banks often comes to see us. Last Tuesday morning, I looked out of my window. There was lots of snow outside. I went downstairs to have my breakfast. In the kitchen, Mom and Dad were there. Mr. Banks was too. Hello, I said. I can go to school today. There's snow on all the roads. Perfectly answered, Tony. I can take you to school in my helicopter, Jim. Would you like to do that? Wow, I said. Yes, please. Oh, Tony, congratulations. You were able to understand the text. That's why you did great. You were able to fill in the missing words. Great work, Tony. Very good. Now here, Tony, let's do number 7. What do you think, Tony, is the best name of the story? Is it a helicopter ride? Is it Mr. Banks' children? Or is it a holiday in the snow? Which one is the best answer? It's which one? Come on.
I'm
Okay. Are you sure? Is it Mr. Banks' children?
yes.
Okay, the correct answer here is it's a helicopter ride.
No.
Okay, that wasn't Mr. Banks' children. That's why letter B is not the correct answer. Now here, Tony, I want you to read. Look at the picture first. Read the story and write the words to complete the sentence about the story. Okay? Tony, listen. Answers are found from the given sentences. So you have to read the sentence. Tony, are you listening? Are you listening?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. I want you to complete the sentence given. Answers are only found in the given text about my birthday party. Okay, Tony? Please write your answer. Okay, please read sentence 1 and 2.
One, Joan couldn't go to the party because she had a bad toothache. Two, Joan couldn't go because he hurt his leg in a football game.
Okay, let's check. Number 1, John couldn't go to the party because she had a bad toothache. Correct. Number 2, John couldn't go because he hurt his leg in a football game. Wow, very good, Tony. Great work. 1 and 2 are all correctly answered. Okay, next, Tony. Now here, please answer number 3, 4, 5, 6.
Saturday, I phoned them. He said, I'm sorry. My dad has to work on Sunday. He can't drive me to house. Then I phoned him. No, I'm sorry, he said. Him that day. He started to cry. I want my friends with me on my birthday. Mom said, don't be sad. Grandma and Grandpa can come here that evening. Now to come. Betty phone is on.
Okay, Tony,
Dun
let's
dun
check.
dun dun dun
Okay,
dun.
Tony, read 3, 4, 5, 6.
Reben couldn't come because Dad had to work. For the last person that picked that Betty phone is called Kim. 5. Betty starts crying because her friend couldn't be with her on her birthday. Betty's grandma and grandpa go, go go to her house that day.
Okay, let's check. Gwen couldn't come because Dad, correct, had to work. Number 4, the last person that Betty phoned is called Kim, correct. Betty started crying because her friends couldn't be with her on her birthday, correct, Tony? Number 6, Betty's grandpa and grandma could go to her house that day. Wow, very good. 3, 4, 5, 6 are all correctly answered. Very good, Tony. Okay, Tony, last one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. This is the last one. Go, come on, come on.
Very surprised. For the trip, and Kim was her cousin. Dance a lot, and they also happy birthday to me. It was great. Oops. Her, her Tummy poke, tummy poke, tummy poke. Japan. Betsy's friends were in. Yeah. Hmm. 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 I see. Garden, 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 garden. Betty friends gave her a um, no equal a mm, 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 yes.
Okay, done.
Wait,
Okay, tell me when you're done.
I'm done.
Okay, please read 7 to 10.
7. Patty put on her dress in her bedroom.
8,
All Betty's friends were in the garden.
9,
Betty's friends gave her a nice yellow kite.
10.
Kim came with her cousins and they all sang Happy Birthday!
All right, so number 7, Betty put on her, let's check. Number 7 we have here is party dress in her bedroom, correct? Number 8, all Betty's friends were in the garden. Very good. Number 9, Betty's friends gave her a nice yellow kite. Very good, Kim. Number 10, Kim came with, and they all sang happy birthday. Very good, Tony. Tony, congratulations for a job well done today. I am very proud of the score or of the all the things that you did today because from all of the activity today, you only got 2 mistakes in all of it. All of the activity, only 2 mistakes. Great work, Tony. Very good. Very good. You did great, you know?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, so good. Okay, that's why teacher is very happy to know that you were able to answer the given activity correctly. Tony, I want you to keep it up because you are doing great. Okay? So I will not hold you any longer, Tony. Goodbye for now, Tony. And
Goodbye, teacher. See
yes,
you
goodbye. See
again.
you again. Goodbye. Good night. Bye-bye.